NDC News. Mema Obibia Akwaba. I had the latest and hot news in Kwa Enamade. Bremo Anuti Omodian say over subscribe. The Obayade say over click the subscribe button. Now belly notification. When sa video for ya when the first person I will say ever can be Afriyie na what like video give us a thumbs up. Now share my offer for na when you be here na Wohumia Agyarko. Afriyie and some other toy also. NDC now one day a health work as she so I just say Domina Boakye Agyarko a year Gyamfi ase the Koyen Simbi a year Dramani Mahama what in some to before one copy or can be on the NDC for one flag bearer for 2024 general election. A year Zenator Rawlings on the copy or in some to near who here say one to about Aremeyaw NDC na before they just say one of your my cause or just one say or my attitude upon some economy no at IBC Basa. Now, yes, I mean, you could see a report a year help upon the share so before Kasa was here, one is some one of the N2 Interior reporting.
Hundreds of party goers defied the rains to attend the National Democratic Congress health walk held on Saturday, July 20th, 2024. The 6-kilometer health walk began from Spintex and ended at the Nungwa Town Park in Accra. The health walk is part of strategies employed by the opposition NDC in preparation for the December 7th general elections. Members of the NDC used the health walk to register their displeasure with the state of affairs in the country. They called for a change in government and campaigned for Ghanaians to vote massively for the NDC.
What best the government is doing? Look at the economy. Look at how people work are going. Look myself right now. I have a work company. Galio Lonka is 20 cedis, 30 cedis now. John Mahama time Galio Lonka is 10 cedi, 8 cedi, 5 cedi. Right now is 30 cedis. Look at pure water. Look at fuel. We can't buy fuel into our car again. So that is why we are here.
There comes a time in the life of a people where we must not blur the difference between right and wrong. The NPP has done a lot of things wrong and they must be judged accordingly come December 7, 2024.
We want to end the corruption. We want to end the corruption. We want to end the state capture. We want to end the family and friends government. That is why we want to vote for change.
The health work, dubbed Fit Ready Mahama Walk, saw the attendance of some top hierarchy members of the NDC, including the Member of Parliament for Tamale South, Haruna Iddrisu, Professor Joshua Alabi, Joyce Bawa, Peter Buama Otukuna, among others. Also present during the 4-hour walk were members of Parliament and also parliamentary candidates from the Greater Accra region representing the NDC. Speaking to Ghana Web, Haruna Iddrisu enumerated some of the plans the NDC intends to embark on should they win power.
NDC faithfuls and Ghanaians have defied the rains to work for change and to embrace change and to vest their faith in President Mahama to come and lead change. That's why we are working notwithstanding the rain. We need to save this country from a state capture. The NPP is determined to use all means, including the looted money, to alter the necessary and ultimate change that Ghanaians desire on December 7, 2024. This work is also to remind our party agents to police the ballot boxes and to police the polling stations and ensure that they are at the declaration of results venue. And copies this year will insist that every result declared, a copy be pasted in accordance with the constitutional instrument at the place where the counting took place before collation, so that there can be some monitoring between what is declared at the collation center and what was declared at the polling station. So we are training people, and in Ashanti region we will deploy our special forces to monitor the elections that we did in 2008. So John Mahama, this crowd is to say that they are putting their faith in you, Excellency John Mahama, to come and lead change and provide change.
The national campaign manager of the NDC, Professor Joshua Alabi, was convinced that the mammoth crowd was a clear indication of victory for the NDC in the December 7th general election.
No, we have an assignment ahead of us, and that is December 7th, and we have to be fit for it. It's not going to be an easy battle. So everybody who supports the NDC and who's a sympathizer must be fit for it. So we have started this work. We'll do this in addition to our normal campaign. We are preparing, we'll be launching our campaign next week in Tamale. And from there we'll take off to visit the regions and the constituencies. We've kept everything in order and we are sure of a very solid team to manage the campaign. And the Fabra is also in very good shape. So we are ready to go. We are good to go.
Member of Parliament for Klottey Korle, Zenator Rawlings, urged the supporters to vote strictly for the NDC in both the presidential and parliamentary race.
This year, we are going for an election. We have less than 4 months. Everybody here must bring 10 people. And when you are voting, you vote for Mahama and you vote for the NDC candidates where you are. No skirt and blouse. Because if you do skirt and blouse and John Mahama becomes president, he cannot rule because he will not have majority in parliament. So be careful of those who are going around and saying vote for Mahama and vote for somebody else. Everybody, if you are NDC in your heart, you must make sure you vote Mahama and you vote for your NDC candidate. If you are here, you vote for Namomo.
The presidential candidate of the NDC, John Dramani Mahama, lamented the woes of the country and promised to ensure his government creates more employment to alleviate the hardships in the economy.
That's the beauty of democracy. It affords us every 4 years the opportunity to make a change. And that opportunity comes on 7th December 2024. I just want to say that when you have a sickness, the first step towards getting a cure is to diagnose the sickness and know that you are sick. Unfortunately for this group of people in leadership, the MPP, they don't even recognize that Ghana is sick. For somebody to say that there is no hunger, there hasn't been hunger since Akufo-Addo came into government, it means because he's eating peche and the rest of us are eating pocho. He doesn't know that there's hunger in Ghana. But everything has a time. Every dog has its day. And the MPP's day is up on 7th December 2024.
Additionally, the former president confirmed the date and venue for the NDC's manifesto launch.
27th July, we are launching the campaign. And once the campaign is launched, there is no sitting down. The campaign is for all of us. It's not for Joshua Alabi, he's the campaign manager. It is not for your constituency campaign task forces. It is not for your regional campaign task forces. It is for every one of you. Any spare time you have, wear your t-shirts. We're going to send you leaflets. And you go from house to house and distribute the leaflets to your neighbors and tell them the message of NDC. That NDC is going to come and solve this economic crisis and create job opportunities for our unemployed youth. The national campaign is going to be launched in Tamale on 27th July. And so as many of you who can be in attendance, please, you are warmly welcome. The victory of the NDC is coming again, and it starts in Tamale on 27th July. I thank you very much, and God richly bless all of you.
Choboy! Choboy! Ezu! Eza! We are Mizu! We are Miza! We are Mizuzu Zaza! We are Mizaza Zuzu! MFA! Good afternoon to everybody. This year, we are going for an election. We have less than 4 months. Everybody here must bring 10 people. And when you are voting, you vote for Mahama and you vote for the NDC candidates where you are. No skirt and blouse. Because if if you do skirt and blouse and John Mahama becomes president, he cannot rule because he will not have majority in parliament. So be careful of those who are going around and saying vote for Mahama and vote for somebody else. Everybody, if you are NDC in your heart, you must make sure you vote Mahama and you vote for your NDC candidate. If you are here, you vote for Namomo. Hezu, all the things that are happening that are wrong, to be able to reverse them, to do the right thing, President Mahama needs a majority in parliament. Are we going to give him a majority in parliament? Are we going to give a majority in parliament? Choboy! This year the message is clear. This election is about the future of the youth. If you want the environment to favor your jobs, you want to make sure you are not sitting at home, you want the crime rate to go down, you want Ghana's economy to improve, then the NDC is the only choice. So make sure that you are campaigning to make sure nobody stays at home. When you are doing your house to house, don't say it's our MPP house, you won't go in there. Go to every house, every ghetto, every school, every university. Make sure you speak to everyone. Vote for NDC. If they don't know who the candidate is, they should look for the umbrella. Ezu! This is the year for NDC to win. But you and I have to work. And the work starts today. So everybody that is here, whether you are an executive or not, if you love this country, then the only option is NDC. Choboy!
You for winning and somewhere here NDC for one of the two abra one copy one help work. Now one day and somewhere to go one Ghana for to about a mawomo and now 1 year to go. Because just so and our no so we now subscribe ya or say over subscribe or not like it no feel so but share video no amount for so any be are. Also bet me a chair what you for a so we gonna home our comment boxing mobati ninkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notifications.